Have you ever noticed how some people start laughing at the worst possible moments? During arguments, in the middle of bad news, even when everything feels like it is falling apart, and everyone else looks confused while they cannot stop smiling. Deep inside, they are not amused at all. They are overwhelmed. Because psychology says when you are laughing under stress, you are not crazy. You are being intensely human. This strange reaction is not immaturity or disrespect. It is often your brain's protective strategy, a subconscious emotional regulation mechanism designed to reduce psychological pain. Research shows that nervous laughter is one of the most common defense responses when emotions become too heavy to process directly. The first reason this happens is called nervous laughter, a stress response triggered by your autonomic nervous system. When your brain senses threat or social danger, it releases adrenaline and cortisol. Your body needs an outlet, so instead of crying or freezing, you laugh because your system is trying to discharge tension quickly. You may have seen this during exams, job interviews, or serious conversations where someone smiles while explaining something painful. It looks inappropriate, but psychology says it is emotional overflow, not joy. Your brain simply cannot handle the intensity in a straightforward way, so it chooses a socially safer release. The second reason is cognitive dissonance, the discomfort you feel when reality clashes with your expectations. When something shocking happens, your mind struggles to process it. Laughter becomes a bridge between confusion and acceptance. For example, when someone receives unexpected criticism and laughs while saying, "Wow, that's harsh," it's not mockery. It is the brain buying time. Research shows that humor reduces mental friction and allows you to reorganize thoughts without collapsing emotionally. It creates psychological distance from pain. Another powerful factor is emotional suppression. Many people were taught that crying is weakness or that showing distress makes you vulnerable. Over time, the brain rewires itself to convert sadness into humor. This is a defense mechanism similar to reaction formation, where the outward expression is the opposite of the inner feeling. You laugh because you cannot safely cry. And if you relate to this, it does not mean something is wrong with you. It means you adapted to survive emotionally in environments where vulnerability felt unsafe. There is also social survival at play. Humans fear rejection more than discomfort. In tense group situations, laughter becomes a bonding signal. Your brain thinks, if I keep it light, I won't be excluded. This links to the concept of social masking, especially common in highly sensitive or overthinking individuals. You might joke during conflict just to avoid escalation. Psychology says belonging is a core human need. Your nervous system will do almost anything to protect it. Finally, laughter under stress can be a form of dissociation, a subtle mental detachment when emotions feel too intense. Instead of fully experiencing fear or grief, your mind softens the blow with humor. It's not that you don't care, it's that your brain is protecting you from overload. Many intelligent and empathetic people develop this habit because they process emotions deeply and quickly. So, if you laugh when stressed, remember this: your nervous system is regulating, your mind is protecting, your habits were learned for a reason. Nervous laughter, cognitive dissonance, emotional suppression, social masking, and dissociation are not flaws. They are adaptive responses. Psychology says awareness is the first step towards healthier emotional expression. If this felt personal, share it with someone who laughs when they are overwhelmed, and comment, what emotion do you usually hide behind humor? Watch the next video to understand what your stress responses reveal about your personality.